Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Tall Witches. The idea is to show a doll over the normal 12-inch size. So many of us, we have so many 12-inch dolls that the taller and smaller dolls often get neglected. So they needed a day. Anything over 12, actually over 14 inches, dressed as a witch or in a witchy situation. I brought out my Smart Dolls. These girls are over here making some drinks for everybody at the party. As you can see, we're trying it out every now and again. This girl here, I really am proud of her dress. I wish the sleeves were a little longer and I wish the hem was a little longer. But I took a pattern from the internet and I tweaked it a little bit, just the bodice, the corset bodice. And I added sleeves and this skirt. The sleeves and skirt are all my own pattern. Pretty proud of it. She has mermaid tears in her little jar there that she's going to be adding to the brew over here.
Spiking the punch, huh?
Spiking the punch. There you And then these two girls are supposed to be on cleanup, but they're just standing there. You know, here's what they're like. Oh, and then I told him, blah, blah, blah. So these are my tall witches. I just had so much fun with this. Thank you to everyone who participated in this challenge that Darren and I put out this year for Tall Witches. We really appreciate it. We also appreciate every single viewer, every single comment, and every single like. It means a lot to our channel. I do have to tell you something funny about this girl here. Let me move Imagine back. No, onward, that's onward. Set your broom down a minute, sweetheart. I got these brooms. Oh, didn't mean to knock yours out of your hand. I got these broom, what do you call this? The business end of the broom. They smell like cinnamon. And I got these for $1 a piece at the Dollar General. I get these every year. And then I just stuck a stick in it. I made this dress. And again, I just threw it together. This is just a, rectangle. I put elastic at both ends, and I did the sleeves, my own pattern, kind of like this pattern, only different. And I wanted her belly sticking out a little bit, and I just did a gathered skirt with a waistband. And I sent a picture to a friend of mine, and I have to show you what she sent back. She is hilarious. She is so much fun, and we laugh and joke all the time. I'm looking for a text on my phone. She sent a picture back. First she said, I said, this was made for my tall witches. She said, that's like a belly dancer Princess Jasmine dress-esque. Pretty. And I said, or sexy witch. And she said, nods. If Princess Jasmine had picked Jafar at the sorcerer instead of Aladdin, this is how she dressed. And she sent this photo, and we had a good laugh because it's purple with the spider web and the whole bit. But I'm really proud of my girls. And Trouble, she just fits the type. We used to joke years ago, well, we still do, about Halloween is just a good time for the sexy outfits, the sexy nurses, the sexy witches, the sexy this, the sexy. And it's just a fun holiday. Thank you for participating. I also want to remind you that on October 31st, Halloween, Darren and I are hosting yet another challenge, and that is our trick or treat. And if you will send Darren at dollsrescue.com, that's his email, a 10 to 15 second, he said even 5 second video, excuse me, my throat's dry as mine, video of your dolls trick-or-treating or in a Halloween situation. He will put them all together on Halloween on a video on our channel. Don't put your name or anything in it, just do you know, a short video. If you want to say trick or treat, that's fine. Otherwise, all the music's going to be the same. All the channel names are going to be the same. And we're going to link all of your channels in the description on our video when we put it up. Thank you for those that have come in too. There's some really, really cute ones. Please leave a like, a comment. Go see everyone's tall witches today. Thank you, and please subscribe.